Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using this mixed media paper and some jelly print papers in this project. This is like my women's series, and I'm some using some washi tapes, and I forgot to put the camera on, but uh, I have finished um, all the jelly print papers and other stuff, and I added all those things using the gel medium, and I forgot completely about my camera. Sorry about that. But now, next step is I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to trim the edges. I'm going to add stamps now. So this is a stamp which is from Studio Light, and I'll be adding some more stamps from that. So I'm using archival ink. Then now I'm going to use the text stamp. Now I'm going to heat dry it. Then I'm going to use this mixed media stamp. I don't think I know what brand it is, but this is like a nice variety of stamps in there, so I'm using that. Then I'm going to dry this. I'm using this distress crayon, actually watercolor pencils. These are distress watercolor pencils from Tim Holtz. So I'm going to use that and blend it. If you don't have this, you can use any watercolor paints or even acrylic paints if you want it to be opaque. I didn't want to lose those um, background stamps, so that's why I'm using watercolor paints. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to add white paint and blend it. Then now I'm going to dry it. Now I'm going to use like a light acrylic paint and add this in this to blend it. I wanted that bright blue color in this. And now I'm going to use white paint and splatter on the top. Then now I'm going to dry it, and I'm going to do some mark making. I'm using this black pen. Now I'm going to add the focal point. So now I'm going to paint the outline. Just give some little bit of shade. Then this is like a Derwent black pencil, watercolor pencils. Those are like intense watercolor pencil. So I'm just going to um, finish this. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next video with the new ideas. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Bye.